Has this ever happened to you? You're all excited, it's a beautiful day, you're ready to get in the side-by-side, you turn the key and, dead battery. Hello everyone, and welcome to our Simple Cabin Life, one small step at a time. Today we're going to share something with you that everyone should have if you have an ATV and if you are driving it in the winter. It's been really cold up here in the North Bruce Peninsula, and with cold weather comes battery problems. As you can see, we're trying to start it here and nothing is working. We turn and simply dead sound. So my husband gathers an extension cord from the garage and has me hook it up to the outlet at the house. From the wood shop, he brings out a charger that we bought a couple of years ago. This thing has saved us a couple of times, and we're going to share with you today how we use it to help us when our battery dies during cold weather. So he's simply going to plug the charger into the heavy-duty extension cord, and when that's done, he's going to head back to the hood, and under the hood he's going to hook up the cables. Red is going to positive and black is going to negative. There's not a lot of space to work here, and usually when it's cold your hands don't necessarily want to work properly, so just take a deep breath and open up the clamps and hook them on the right spot. Be careful not to touch the red to the black. Just fiddle with it a little bit and take your time. Check to make sure you've got everything where it's supposed to be. In a second here, you'll see my husband just double checking, and then he's going to look at the charger, make sure he has it set for the proper voltage. And I'm not really sure how this thing works. I just know that it does. So at first, when he turns the ignition key, nothing happens. And of course, I get a little stressed out and think that it's not going to work, but he tells me that we need to give it a little bit of time. And then sure enough, after waiting a couple of seconds, you can hear that nice hum of the engine starting up. So don't forget that you have to unhook everything. Make sure again that you're not touching the red to the black as you're doing it. Always remember to follow the instructions when using a battery charger. The one that we use is linked in the description below. So we're gonna close up the hood now, just a little slam, and then it's time to wrap up the extension cord. I'd highly recommend this orange thing here. It helps keep the cord from getting tangled up and driving us crazy. So remember, don't let the cold weather stop you from enjoying your adventures. Thanks for being here with us. We'll see you again, one small step at a time.